Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you how to get this basic bougie look. If you want to see how to get this look, stay tuned, keep watching. So I'm going straight into the video. I'm using my Bougie Cosmetic angle brush to do my brows and my Bougie Cosmetic brow pomade. I really love this. And the Chinese lady messed up my brows, so I kind of have to fill it in more as usual. So now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Fawn. I'm lazy to use a brush, so I'm using the brush on there. Then I'm using my NYX Total Control Foundation. This is actually my first time trying it. I ordered it online, so let's hope it's not too light. So I'm spreading it all over my face. And I'm going to blend it in with the brush that came with it. It's also a NYX brush. This blends my makeup really well. I use it for nearly everything to blend. Anything that has to do with blending, I use this brush. Okay, so now I'm going in with my highlight using the same Fawn shade. There we go. I'm putting it in all the right places. You know, I'm going to blend it in with my same brush. As I told you guys, this brush is magic to me. That's all I use. I'm open to trying new things, but I really love how this brush blends my face. It's the best thing yet for my face. Then I'm using this Black Radiance concealer stick. I bought this in CVS. Paid like $1 for it. I really like how it contours my face shape. So you guys should try it out. Yeah, I was talking throughout the video. Then I decided to do a voiceover. So now I'm blending it in. Blending it in, make sure it looks perfect. At first I really thought this foundation was going to be too white, but afterwards it came out pretty decent. I actually like it. So yeah, making sure it's blend properly. Now I'm going in with my Sasha Buttercup powder, setting powder. I'm using this brush from Bougie Cosmetics as well. It's like a big round brush to put it on all my highlighted areas. Making sure it's set perfectly. You know. Excuse me guys, I have the cold, so excuse if I'm sounding nasal. So I'm going in with this red eye pencil, right? This is the first time, it's actually a lip liner. This is the first time I'm actually doing this. It makes my eye look pretty cool. I just want to try something different. So yes, I'm going in with Juvia's Face palette, shade Fez. Yeah, that's what I put on here. I'm also using this wet and white brush to blend it in my crease. Then I'm going in with Taza. It's kind of orangey color, a little above my crease, up there. Then I'm using this on my lids, right? This is LA Colors, not LA Girl Pro. It's a color corrector, but it's kind of whitish. So I'm using that so my color could pop. And I'm going in with this blue color. It's called Bougie. The same Juvia's Face palette. It's the Saharan 2 palette. So I'm putting that in the inner corner of my lids with this Wet n Wild flat brush. Patting it in there because that's how you get it. Keep the pigmentation, although this is very pigmented. Alright, and I'm going in with my Saharan palette, and I'm using that black color for the outer crease, my eyelids. I don't know, I love putting black in there. It's a part of my makeup routine, I realize, but yeah, it's going in there. So yeah, make sure you blend that properly, guys. And I'm going in with Katina. Again, above my crease, just to blend in that transition very well. You don't want it to look like you just slap it on there. Look at me checking on myself. No, I look cute. So I'm going in with this next Bougie cosmetic brush to just blend my setting powder and everything, making sure the face is well, you know, blended. I'm going in with this brush. I think it's a contour brush by BH Cosmetics, and I'm using this e.l.f. trio thing I have. I have like a dark shade and a highlighter shade and a neck shade, but I always use the dark shade to do my contour. Then I'm blending it in, nice, and I'm going in with this Great Lash mascara, because as you guys know, I do not like to wear lashes unless I am going out or something, or I was going out, but unless it's a glam event, I guess. So yeah, putting that on, making sure my eyelashes are popping and even on both sides. Then I'm going in with my Anastasia Glow Kit. My cousin bought this for my Christmas. Oh my god, I love it so much. I used bronze before, but in this video I'm going to use Moonstone. Yeah. I was trying to debate between Tourmaline and Moonstone, but I'm using Moonstone, and I'm like, ooh, look at that highlight, girl. Then I'm going in with my fawn shade concealer to put this on my lips. This is a new thing I'm trying. I didn't see this anywhere, but I just wanted a different color that I didn't have. No lippies, I didn't have that color, so I'm putting that on. And I'm using this shade, this Nomad from the Saharan 2 palette. Using this, my NYX brush. I'm patting it on there. It's a kind of glitter maroon, glitter burgundy color. Making sure it's even. Then I went in with a darker maroon color called Zora to put on the outside. Yeah. You all should try it. I mean, I'm sure people do it too, but I didn't really see it anywhere. Then I'm going in with this lip gloss I got in, I think, a dollar store. Yeah, just a regular lip gloss. I can't remember the name of it. But yeah, you can use any lip gloss. You put that over there to seal it, and yeah, voila. Catch my hair video in the next video. Time to do my hair. This right here is a little preview. I will be posting it sometime this week, so you guys can see how I got this full look. Again, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you guys. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video, part 2 of this video. Bye. Mwah.